Today we're going to go over our Contender Post-Op Elbow Brace. We're going to start by loosening up the Velcro on the cuff and slide that on, lining the hinge up with the elbow. We'll use the Velcro to tighten that wrist cuff down nice and tight. These neck straps should already be adjusted for you in the office. And they're just going to ratchet around and in. And one more up top. Now, if any adjustments need to be made to these straps, you can undo the Velcro and loosen the strap or tighten it depending on how you need that fit. And to take it on and off, we're just pushing right here at the straps and those open up. Same thing all the way through. Now, each of these cuffs can be moved by unlocking the mechanism on the slide rail, sliding it where you'd like to place it, and then locking that item back into place. So, closer look at our hinge here. Your doctor will give you instructions for how they want you set. If the yellow button is pushed down to lock, it will lock on one of these degrees right here, anywhere from 90 degrees of flexion all the way down to 10 degrees or negative 10 degrees of hyperextension. And to unlock that, you switch that lock up, and then that is fine. That's going to allow free movement of the elbow. Now, the other thing we can do with this brace is we can allow movement but limit range of motion. To do that, would remove these gray straps here, and you can set this. So if we wanted 20 degrees of extension and only 90 degrees of flexion, you can push those to there. Take the black tab and pull it back over the top just so those don't move around on us. And now the elbow will not bend past 90 and will not straighten past 20. It will stop there. And so those typically are only going to be adjusted by the doctor in the office, by the physical therapist, or by somebody in the DME staff. But if they need adjusted, you can do that there. Also with your tabs, if these need to be moved up or down, you can slide that to unlock, and then it can slide up or down if it needs to, and then be locked back into place.